Welcome to SVG Design's tutorial series. We'll be bringing you step-by-step instructions for all your favorite SVG projects. To stay in the loop, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. First, log into your account to download your design. Once you have the download, drag and drop it into your software. Resize your design in your software to fit your glass. I proportionally resize my image to be about 3.5 inches in horizontal length. Now you can send your resized design to your machine to start cutting. With scissors, you can cut away any excess vinyl, but be sure to leave some space around the design to protect the glass from etched cream spillover. Also, be sure to cut slits in the space around the design. This is especially helpful when placing stencils on curved objects. Using your tweezers, begin peeling away your design from the vinyl. Make sure the small inner spaces of the letters stay down. Carefully peel the vinyl away from the backing and press the design onto the glass. Start from the middle and move outward. Next, manually place the small inner spaces of the letters with your tweezers. Optionally, you can use transfer tape to apply these small pieces as well. This next step will need to be completed by a sink. Begin running some warm water and lay your Armor etch cream on the stencil with a paintbrush. Make sure you keep the cream only on the designated area. After applying, immediately rinse your brush. Allow the etch cream to sit for 60 seconds. Then run the glass under warm water to wash away the cream. Congrats! You finished your etched wine glass. Now the final and most important step. Drink good wine with good friends. Enjoy!